Hello everybody, this is Vishal from Language Academy here. I have Sneha with me today who just cracked her PTE and she got her report yesterday. She got 80 plus in every single module. Alright, congratulations to you, Sneha. And then she got 9 each in 3 modules, and then in one of them in reading she got 84 scores. What a great score.
Thank you.
Sneha, I would really ask you, how did you do this? Please share your experience so you can help the students out there and they can also do the same. What we have achieved today is great. Please help the students out there.
So thank you for helping me to get the score first. So main thing is always practice. So before coming here, I have attended this exam a couple of times and I couldn't clear it, and I was always losing in listening. So once I came here and attended the class, I understand why I was not able to reach my score.
Sure.
So the templates, the ideas and all those things which Varun shared with us was really great. And then the most important thing was the materials and the website you guys have.
Definitely.
And I was really preparing for it for 1 week, last 1 week.
Sure.
And I understand that practice is very important. Like you will have templates and materials and everything, but you have to prepare by practice.
Great tip out there. Practice. Yeah. Everyone says it. You need to practice, but you need to practice the right way.
Yeah.
You need to practice towards your right direction.
Yeah.
Now you got 90 in your speaking. That's a great score over there. Yes, you also got good scores in your listening.
Yeah.
You got also good scores in your reading, and then in writing you did an amazing job again.
Yeah.
So what was the difficulties you were facing before, and how did you overcome through the practice, through the techniques were shared over there? Just tell something out over there to the students again, which can definitely help them to succeed in their pathway as well, please.
So one of them was the retell lecture.
Sure.
I was always have no idea how, because I write a lot of notes, but I didn't know how to read it back,
Definitely.
talk back when the the speaking starts. So
Sure.
After attending the class, I understand there is always a way to do it. So even if we write a lot of notes, we need to understand how to pick it, all these things, and speak back. So that one, Varun gave us an idea how to do it.
Sure.
So that was one thing. So it was really easy if you know how to do it. And the other one was repeat sentence.
Yes.
So the site had a lot of practice material, so I keep on listening it again. And same for write from dictation also. I used to write instead of typing.
Yes.
So I understand that, okay, you can remember it, it's just the practice which you are lacking.
Sure.
So those things, yeah, I improved. And also the summarized written text. I didn't know how to summarize it and how many words I should use.
Definitely.
So all those things were...
Great, Sneha. Again, you got listening 87, reading 84, speaking 19, and then in writing you got 86. My scores are touching the roof over there. Great job. I'm very happy for you personally that you have done this, and now she's she's towards her PR pathway. She got 20 points PTE in academic, and then she will be doing her lodgement of PR very soon. And then good luck to you, Sneha. And we are really helpful, that you came today and then appreciated the value you got from this institute, and then you are sharing your experience again, appreciating again a lot. And then good luck for your achievement, and then best of luck for the future endeavors. Hope to see you soon again, where you get your PR granted, and then we'll celebrate together.
Sure, thank you.
Thank you guys. Just one important thing over there, that she did practice a lot. She did the practice the right way. She got the right insight knowledge how to crack the PTE, and definitely she relied on the platform which every student is getting from this institute, and so they can help themselves to get their marks. Thank you again. We'll see you soon. Thank you, Sneha.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.